What if we told you that a factory designed over 100 years ago had a racing track on its rooftop? Meet the Fiat Lingotto factory in Turin, Italy. Opened in 1923, this building was a marvel of industrial architecture. But here's the twist. Its rooftop was used as a car test track. Yes, you heard that right. New cars were built in the factory below, and then driven up a spiraling ramp to be tested on the roof. The Lingotto factory's rooftop track was a symbol of innovation, integrating functionality with architecture in a way that was decades ahead of its time. In fact, Le Corbusier himself, one of the most important architects of the 20th century, referred to it as one of the most avant-garde buildings he had ever seen. Today, the Lingotto building has been repurposed into a vibrant complex with shops, a concert hall, a hotel, and more. Yet the rooftop track remains a testament to its revolutionary past, and it is used as a green space with a lot of activities. Isn't it time we looked back at such ingenious designs to inspire our modern rooftop reutilization?